Picture this, mommers. You just slipped into a gorgeous, floor-length silk gown, your blowout is looking flawless, and you are stepping out of an Uber Black for a much-needed, ultra-glamorous charity gala. A server walks by holding a silver tray of perfectly chilled champagne, and you immediately think, wait, can I actually drink that if I am nursing? The mom guilt hits hard and fast, and suddenly you are Googling alcohol half-lives while waiting in the coat check line. Well, take a deep breath and grab that crystal flute, because today we are going to spill the tea on the exact rules of having a drink while breastfeeding. Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your favorite corner of the internet for blending high-end motherhood with real, evidence-based education. We know that being a dedicated, breastfeeding mom does not mean your social life has to completely stop, or that you have to skip out on luxury vacations. You can totally rock a black tie event and still crush your pumping goals. You just need the right strategy. So, let's get into it, because navigating alcohol and breast milk is actually way less stressful than society makes it out to be. Let's start with the hard science, because knowing the facts is a total game changer for your peace of mind. For decades, the rule was always to pump and dump, which honestly is enough to make any pumping mom want to cry over spilled milk. But modern pediatric guidelines have shifted. The amount of alcohol that actually makes it into your breast milk is roughly the same amount that is in your bloodstream. Basically, if you are sober enough to drive, you are sober enough to nurse. A standard glass of champagne takes about 2 hours to clear your system. So, if you sip a glass of bubbly during the cocktail hour, by the time they serve the main course and you are ready to head home to relieve the babysitter, your milk is perfectly safe. There is zero need to dump those precious ounces down the drain. Now, let's talk about the logistics of pumping at a high-end event, because keeping your supply up while wearing a designer dress requires a little bit of prep. If you are going to be away from your baby for more than 4 hours, you have to move milk. This is where investing in a truly bougie wearable pump, like the LV or Willow, pays off big time. You can slip away to the VIP lounge or the powder room, pop those quiet little motors right into your dress, and nobody will even know you are pumping. To keep your liquid gold safe, bring a sleek, insulated travel chiller. It looks exactly like an expensive water bottle and will keep your milk ice cold all night long. You can literally hand it to the coat check attendant along with your wrap, and they won't bat an eye. Finally, let's talk about the ultimate peace of mind hack. If you are someone who tends to overthink, and let's be honest, we all have those moments, grab a box of breast milk alcohol test strips before your next night out. You just put a single drop of milk on the little pad, and it changes color to let you know if there is still alcohol in your system. It costs just a few bucks, fits right into your chic clutch next to your lipstick, and completely takes the guesswork out of the equation. Combine that with pumping a fresh bottle right before you leave the house, and you have set yourself up for a totally stress-free evening. Motherhood is an incredible journey, but you are still allowed to celebrate, dress up, and enjoy a gorgeous glass of champagne. With the right gear and a solid understanding of how your body works, you can have the absolute best of both worlds. If you loved this breakdown and want more tips on navigating motherhood with style and confidence, hit that subscribe button right now. Give this video a thumbs up if you are ready for a fancy mom's night out, and drop a comment below telling us your favorite mocktail or cocktail to sip on. Thanks for hanging out with Milky Way Travels, and we will see you in the next one. Cheers, mommers.